All right, so now let's take a look at question 43. So this is the addition of HX to a carbon-carbon double bond. You have to remember that whenever you have an unsymmetrical alkene, you can get two possible products. So the two possible products in this situation would be the hydrogen going to one carbon and the chlorine going to the other carbon, or vice versa. So I'll just quickly draw those. The mechanism, remember, works by the pi electrons, one of the carbons using the pi electrons to form a bond to the hydrogen, and then the electrons in the hydrogen-chlorine bond going to the chlorine, so that I will get two possible carbocation intermediates, that one or this one. This carbocation here has more hypercon. So it's the favored, it's the more stable intermediate, and therefore this product up here is the one that is formed faster and is favored. When you are given the product instead of the reactant, as you are in the second part, you have to remember that the hydrogen and the bromine are adding to adjacent carbons. So I always try to use the bromine, the carbon where the bromine was, as the marker, and then I look at all of the possible adjacent carbons where the hydrogen could be. So the hydrogen could be on that carbon, could have been added to that carbon, or it could have been added to that carbon. So that translates into three possible starting compounds. One of them looks like that. One of them looks like that. And one of them looks like that. Both this one and this one could give two products, because the molecule, the alkenes, are unsymmetrical. So the bromine could go to one carbon or the other one. The bromine could go to one carbon or the other one. Despite the fact that in both of these cases, the product that's shown would be favored, you could still get some of the lesser favored product. For this one here, though, you can only get one product, and it's the one that you want. So this is the favored product.